heading to Louisiana, and our first stop is going to be Henrietta. We're leaving from Tulsa, and it's going to be a fun day. That was Yip Yip, by the way. Here we go.
We don't have any boundaries, but there's something that I need to know. You said that you never doubt me, but it's time to get on with the show.
Hi, latte. Fancy trash. And Yip, where we at?
We're getting on the turnpike towards DFW.
We're in Henrietta.
So we're in a town called Henrietta, obviously.
What's the point of this trip?
You know, we're surrounded by a lot of different opportunities where we get to minister to single mamas and divorced dads and troubled teenagers. And this is a suicide awareness run, so it's kind of a very serious one, which is tough for our group because we're always making light of things, but it's actually a ride to get together and connect for us, kind of reconnect for us, and then also it's an opportunity for us to get to share our support and minister to people all the time. We ride motorcycles to meet people so we can talk about Jesus.
And we're not just going down the road to a ride. We're riding from Tulsa to Louisiana to go on a ride to ride home.
Real.
All right, on to the next stop. What's a road trip without one stop on the side of the road?
Did you do that? Yeah, it was on the side. Oh. I thought that just somebody hit the highway.
Got some highway pegs falling off. Good?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
This one's new. Happens. It seems like that's our gig.
That one's new because my other one fell off in Kansas. And I tightened it before I left.
Good. All right. Back at it. Okay, we are in Antlers? Antlers. All right. How far have we gone?
Altogether so far about 130, 140.
130. Okay. So 50 on the first leg, about 90, something like that on the second leg. How's the trip?
Kind of boring right now.
It's seriously just a straight shot so far. There's not been a whole lot of curves.
Been some beautiful hills though. Beautiful
Yeah.
hills. We came up on the crest of one, you're looking down, you just see all this blue and haze and trees.
When you did the
Yeah,
photo,
Yeah,
that's
good.
where I wished I could have been doing a video.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're not even halfway there. So that's why we're smiling. By the time we get 500 miles, we probably won't be looking so fresh.
Next stop, Paris.
Next stop, Paris. Here we go. Why is it always Smack Spike that has a problem?
It's those Harleys.
Colored by. It looks better than the silver. I was like, I wonder if Lily did that.
I mean, to be honest, if it's black, I would have used at nighttime in my garage.
We've gone 180 miles, and somehow his battery's all of a sudden dead.
That would work. Yeah.
There she is. That's why you should buy an Indian or a Honda.